Hey guys, so I had the birthday party today, and this is my first part of the haul. The rest of it's at my dad's. This is what I got from my mom. And let's see what we have. Alright, first of all, my tablet's on charge, by the way. We got the Lego Harry Potter, Hunger and Horntail Tri-Wizard Challenge. That's cool. There's the front, and there's the back. Pretty cool. And then we got a blue, so why not? And the best of all, it's done in there good. An Amazon Jigglypuff amiibo. Yeah! And let's open this up. Alright, you can play it now. This was the unboxing of everything.
You probably don't need the light on.
I don't know. It's still good. I play.
Does it look okay?
Yeah. I had a panic attack over their $20.
Read that card. If you don't read the card, you don't get it.
Okay. We would like to wish you a happy birthday, Randy Sherwood.
What do you say?
Thank you, whoever that was.
That's Randy!
That was a good.
Gosh.
What's that? I can buy 7 more to make her 2. $52.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's what they spend it on.
Start at the top, work your way down. Come
What if
on.
there's like something important?
It ain't nothing important.
You're gonna open them all, it don't matter. Jeez.
Guess
Christmas.
Okay, something.
Get
It's
to opening that thing, boy.
the graveyard thingy. The Lego graveyard.
Oh,
You didn't wrap those, did you?
I could have.
I know you didn't. I know you didn't. That one, maybe.
No, that was for some reason.
What is it?
That one was hard to.
Hey, I read the box.
Man, it's gotta go back and you ripped it. It's going back to the store.
All Legos.
Whoa.
And another Lego set. Is it all gonna be Legos? Because I don't want to do this much building.
Well, maybe
Please.
Another Lego set.
At least you got something to do.
Yeah.
You won't be bored.
maybe it ain't.
Okay, I'm just gonna say Harry Potter though.
You're not going to be bored. Just
Right?
A lot of them building between them two right there.
How much has that got? Turn it around. No, other side. Let me see the other
in front
side.
of you
See
so
the other
mom
side.
can get your face. Well,
That's fine. You got 430 pieces in that one.
Yeah, there's no way I'm doing this much building.
Yeah, you will.
You will, but that's
Also, an honorable mention, I also got that shirt for my birthday.
I've seen he's taking tours in his room with his
Another Harry
YouTube channel,
Potter set.
showing all his Legos.
Why you make me build so much?
Good lord.
And now it's that castle.
that's the new one, ain't it?
That's gonna be the other part, ain't it?
No, shit, you don't know that.
I need like a.
Ignore
I
that
don't wanna
cuss
do
word.
this much building.
Hey,
I
gotta hire somebody to build it
can.
for you.
keep your hands and your mind busy. You won't get in trouble.
I can build
Hey,
it.
you know, if you hire somebody, you pay them $400, they'll do all the building for you.
There you go. Now we've got 922 pieces.
Get one built today.
Oh no, I'll build me Legos. I really want like.
Bag Legos too.
Actually, there's tables in the basement, and if I get Legos, I can put them.
Yes, I know.
Find
it's
a
not.
corner and rip it open. You act like this is your first time opening something.
Yeah. Okay.
Another that. Yep, I knew it.
Boy, you better just be grateful you got the whole collection.
I knew it. Legos are fun.
You got the.
Except for the building.
You used to love the building. What happened?
Thank God I got $50.
Gee, look at that thing. What's that, Hogwarts?
Why do I have to build so much?
You don't have to build
That's
them all
cool.
at
That's got a
once.
bunch of rooms and stuff.
Yeah, he's got the
How many
other-
pieces are in there?
He's got the,
Oh,
the other
878.
pieces from last year.
Yeah.
You know, and it all goes together and makes one humongous castle.
Heck load of.
Whoa.
Are you old enough to do that, sir?
hit it big too. Watch. I'm buying them all the time.
Yeah, just because he ain't on nothing to buy, he ain't going to get big on his mouth.
Right?
Another Lego. I knew it was gonna be another Lego set. What was this?
I didn't expect that at all.
It's jigglypuff.
It's who?
Jigglypuff.
Oh.
Jigglypuff.
What's that other pink one you got at the house?
Kirby.
Kirby, okay.
And I got $52 to buy Mario Maker.
My one
You
more.
already got Mario Maker.
No, I don't.
You got what? Lego Movie Maker? Can you do the same thing on it?
No, it's a game.
They just want you to spend more
So
money.
you got
Buy all them playsets.
Only
I'm gonna need
gamers
the
will
money in
understand
the
this.
New living drills. You remember all those? Dork.
I mean,
I will be able to do this today.
It's a dark game.
It's a dragon.
What is it? Is that the sets it into?
Mm-hmm.
Huh.
You got the full set.
Yeah, that's
Why is there so much Harry Potter?
because it's a
the whole
set.
dude.
I mean, we can take them all back and you can just have the bag.
Oh no, they're giving it to me because I wanted to.
Just say. Look, she'll help you build them,
Yeah, well, you can
And you know where she lives?
right?
Right across the street.
I can help you.
I don't know.
This one was at 30 something. I don't know.
Yeah, my cousin gave me
I
12.
love
It's at the
building
house.
right now.
And then
Okay. That'll work. Hold on. I also got this building tower game and pew. Okay. There we go. The box. The back. Alright. Gonna open this now. I'm using all this stuff for the camera holder. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Oh, don't give me as many problems as the, the Yoshi video. Okay, guys, you might as well skip forward a minute. Alright, there we go. I got my trusty cameraman, aka my mom, to open this. Alright. I mean, be the cameraman. Alright. How's the camera looking?
looking good. I'm keeping it in.
There should be a corner down here. There we go. People are like, oh my god, you're destroying the freaking packaging! How dare you! Because apparently people love to keep it in the packaging.
Yeah,
It just popped out. Teddy. Jigglypuff!
You're too close. You're too close.
Jigglypuff.
Yeah, pretty much a little bit. There you go.
Ta-da.
Looks good.
And I will not be doing gameplay today because I don't have my Switch. So that sucks. There's Jigglypuff. And if you look closely to the Lego sets I got, then you will see that I'll probably be a while till I make the Lego Harry Potter Adventures 2 video. And yeah. And one more look at this Lego set. I will be building this, but not on camera, obviously, because it's probably going to take about an hour or two to build. But there it is. Yep.
Oh, I didn't know it opened up. That's all.
Just a nice, lovely box. Jigglypuff! Jigglypuff! This is when you pause it. No, not the square. You tap the